Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preserving your data and preparing the phone for low-level access. First, back up everything and confirm files are readable. Once done, enable developer options, turn on OEM unlock and USB debugging so the bootloader can be unlocked. Make sure your PC has ADB and fastboot tools installed and the correct drivers. Plug in and confirm a DB devices lists your device. Finally, charge the battery to at least 80% to avoid shutdowns during flashing, then reboot into bootloader to begin. You will now remove Android components using fastboot commands. After verifying model-specific images, boot to fastboot and run fastboot erase system, fastboot erase vendor and fastboot erase user data to wipe core OS partitions. Use fastboot erase boot to clear the kernel. If you plan to replace the OS, flash a minimal boot or custom recovery image with fastboot flash boot or fastboot flash recovery. Make sure each command returns OK and monitor errors. If a partition fails, stop and note the exact. You finish by deciding whether to leave the device without Android or install an alternative. If you want the device unusable by design, stop after wiping and relock or leave unlocked for development. However, most users reflash stock firmware or a supported custom OS via fastboot flash, all to restore functionality. Make sure to verify boot and system integrity. If the phone enters boot loops or won't boot, reflash the full factory image and restore your user data from backup. That single recovery step fixes most failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.